How to install Quordle on your Android device. Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to use Quordle in Android and how to play Quordle, so your search ends here. In this video, we are going to tell you how you can play Quordle on your Android device in just some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. All links you can see on your screen. Open Google Chrome. Navigate to Quordle's homepage, www.quordle.com. Access the overflow menu to the right of the address bar by tapping on the three vertical dots. Tap on Install App Install. Now Quordle app is added to your home screen. Tap to launch the app. Now set your Quordle best settings for beginners. Launch the Quordle app and tap on the drop-down menu on the top right. Tap on Settings to pull up the setting menu. From here, you'll have a list of options you can turn on and off using a slider. Once you have selected your preferred options, tap the X, top right corner, to exit your settings. How to play Quordle. If you're already familiar with Quordle, it'll be easy to understand Quordle's rule set. You have to guess 4 5-letter words, and you're provided 9 tries to solve all 4. Each of the letters in the words you guess will count towards all 4 word puzzles. The best strategy is to uncover as much information as possible in the first few attempts, and then you can narrow down to the actual words later. The puzzle changes daily, and you'll get an opportunity to view and share your results, just like Quordle. Navigate and open the Quordle shortcut you installed on your home screen. A2 times 2 grid is displayed, leaving 5 empty boxes in each row. These boxes fill once you begin guessing words. To review the rule set, tap on the circular question mark icon next to Practice. Before jumping into the daily puzzle, tap on Practice. The practice mode simulates how a typical Quordle puzzle plays. Using your on-screen keyboard, type a 5-letter word guess and tap Enter. Inputting a word will generate a letter color displayed in each word space. Like Quordle, yellow means the letter is in the wrong spot, but in the word, green means the letter is in the correct spot, and gray illustrates the letter isn't in the word. A helpful feature unique to Quordle is how the letters on the keyboard visually reflect the letter status on the grid. If 1 out of 4 words has C in the correct spot, the C key is quartered filled with green and behaves like a coordinate to a specific word's position. Once you feel ready to tackle the daily puzzle, tap on Daily. Each word guess counts in this mode, and you only have 9 tries to solve everything. You'll see Quordle complete at the top once you've finished the puzzle. The timer for when the next Quordle comes online is displayed under the completion message. Congratulations, you've solved the daily puzzle. Thanks for watching this video.